Welcome to week 4. Week 4 asks the question, what are 3 parts of the nervous system? 3 parts of the nervous system are the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. And as always, we have a little song. So we have 2 versions of this song, the short and the long. So the short version goes, what are 3 parts of the nervous system? You've got the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. What are 3 parts of the nervous system? Got the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Very basic. The longer version is a completely different tune, and I'm trying to remember it right now because now I'm getting a little bit stumped. Happens to the best of us, right? You've got the brain, the cerebrum, and the cerebellum, amygdala, and the peripheral nervous system. You got the spinal cord, and then the nerves, spinal cord, and then the nerves. So that's the longer version that goes a little bit more in depth. Let's go more in depth on the next slide. So let's go a little bit deeper. As always, the brain controls the body and has 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular bundle of nerves that runs from the brain down the back inside your spinal column. All right, the nerves are specialized cells that transmit signals between the brain and other parts of the body. So the nervous system is the communication system of your body. So, fun fact about the brain, it's the most complex structure known to exist in the universe. The spinal cord is about 18 inches long and is protected by the bones of the spine. Nerves can transmit signals at speeds up to 120 meters per second. Wow. Let's dive a little bit deeper with some questions. What is the function of the cerebrum? It controls movement and sensation. What's the function of the cerebellum? To control movement and sensation. Similar? I wonder why. You should go research more on that. Which part of the brainstem controls basic life functions like the heart rate and breathing? The medulla oblongata. Go look that up and see if I pronounced it right. I don't think I did. What is the function of the spinal cord? To control movement and sensation. I think everything does. My goodness. We should look these things up. I love it when there's more research. How do nerves transmit signals between the brain and other parts of the body? Through electrical impulses. Yes, you are constantly being electrocuted by yourself. All right, so use some of these weird repetitive answers to go look up more information. Go watch some more videos on the nervous system. Go figure out what different parts of the brain control different parts of movement and why. Have fun. Okay, so for our drawing section, we have a really pretty brain over to the side, but it's not labeled, so it doesn't tell us that much. We have a picture of some nerves that you might notice from week 1. And then we have more of a diagram because it has the spinal cord on it. But I want you to notice that it also has the cerebrum, cerebellum, and oblongata labeled. So I would highly suggest that you take the opportunity this week to go read a book about the nervous system. Go look at some diagrams of the brain. There are lots of great crafts you can do where they make like a little hat that goes on top of your head, but it shows you all the different sections of the brain and labels them, and you can color them. Go find one of those. Go do a little bit more and get a little bit deeper on this topic, because this video only brushes across the surface of the water. And you know what? Our scientific knowledge about the brain only brushes across the surface of the water. There is so much more depth of understanding that we as humans just do not have about how the brain works. It is truly one of God's most miraculous creations. Hey, so thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Watch some other videos on here, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.